What's the meaning of burglarize? Burglarize. Burglarize.
Burglarize. Burglarize. Burglarize is a verb that means to enter a building or property illegally with the intention of committing theft or other crimes. The result of burglarizing can be devastating for the victim, as it often results in the loss of valuable possessions and a sense of violation of personal space and security. Burglarizing can also cause emotional distress and trauma for the victim, as they may feel unsafe and vulnerable in their own home or business. In addition to the immediate material and emotional impact on the victim, burglarizing can also have wider social and economic consequences, such as increased insurance premiums and a general sense of unease and mistrust within the community.